Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren inaugurated the state's first ever water amusement park at Thengu Chingjin in Awang Potsangbam Kuno, Imphal East today. The construction of the park was spearheaded by Manipur Police Housing Cooperation Limited under the initiative of State Department of Tourism. Ministry of Finance funded the construction of the park. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren said that the park will facilitate people and families to enjoy recreational and fun-filled activities, adding that it will also boost eco-tourism in the state. Noting the prevailing tense situation in the state, the Chief Minister assured that the government is making all-out efforts to ease the sufferings of the people. He mentioned the ensuing Lok Sabha elections and asserted that speaking with no filter at local TV discussions or public platform will escalate the existing tension. He maintained that such irresponsible speech polarized and fragmented our society, asserting that it not only affects other communities of the state but also compromises the state's integrity. He urged those concerned to be aware of the wary situation in the state and act accordingly.
Akoi isor ning bawale ko maroi na maidai taksi ka simang thare isor ning dabna ahlaman masak khangakte tawgadaba tawroidaba thabak masak khangakte ngangadaba ngangoi thabak masak khangakte sagadaba saroidaba khangakte aduna ngasi drugs na ekoi society de yam sathina kaiba piraiba ahlaman mama mapa masak khangdabagi machasingna he tongpagi akaiba thongnariba mayam se akoi isor ningba yam wale anu hosi community hall sari singse semkat pio laibung nariba mayam se nongmagi hapta da amuk to hosi punbio angang sing isa sing na society ma semada discipline ka health ka si amaroiba ya hana 4 IRB ga 5 IRB ga leramba sidaida koi unity mall na koi tribe kuntra ga nithoi humdoi gi moigi shop moigi dukan yawa moigi identity gi yawa duma karod sam ga nimfu taruk ta ba Unity Mall se asida sadora bani. Sida ikoi khara hapsen gani. Sing je kana na ba step semaga thauri pulla angang sing trekking ga yajaba aduga chingdon karo raga mukumak pa yaba aduga magi pot khara toy train karo taruk ki maya da basala agala rabani koi posmong gi kangbu sing horen phambiro water body lei du gi asom nakanda chinghong du da chatlaga laikon yona chatlaga sigi arena sigi manung na taba mapan da chatlaga da angang sing gi toy train do semba yabri yo adumaga koi posmong gi awang posmong gi silnauk sing khana biraga hauba yaba oraga di athu buda hongna na batausi.
Water Resources Minister Awangbo Nyumai said that the water amusement park launched under the leadership of the Chief Minister aimed to offer respite for many and provide a welcome escape for locals, allowing them to unwind and enjoy a few hours of recreation. He mentioned that the construction of the water amusement park cost around 40 crore rupees and also assured necessary efforts will be made to set up similar park in hill areas of the state. He further sought public support and cooperation towards the initiatives taken up by the state government.
Imphal khatanate all the districts su siguma amusement parks are there. Egi kendra maktasu yam phajaba water body semaga tourist ge siguma sembingai honorable chief minister na thawayawna honabiriga hajik hawdor Miam Laga Yingyo, Loy Buganda, Honorable Chief Minister and Biren Singh Luching Basarkas and Tabak, Mutam Kia Fataba Tangarasu Tori Visita, Ado Jayduna Legacy, Sounding Mane Adobo, Kam Kalaga as Tabak Subasan in a Jay Fucha, the Javani Kwan Kadu. Adobo Kana Pupura Hat Kredi, Long Pudu Masanamu, Long Kanama Wabdor. Adonamia, Kanana Tabak Suez, Mr. Hansi had a heading. Tagat from Topaganda, Tagat Sea. Let us open our eyes wide and see what government is doing.